So, hello Israel, good afternoon.
Yeah,
How are you?
good afternoon, sir. Yes, I am pretty well, sir. How about you?
Yes, I'm also great. So, Israel, this is your test today. And you just tell me about your English spoken journey so that my viewer can know about you.
Okay, definitely. So, I'm going to start my English journey. So, when I decided to learn English, so you can say I took so many class. So I took so many offline class, but I didn't get benefit. Okay, after that I started learning from YouTube. I started learning from YouTube, so we can say I learned something. And one day I watched your video. After that I thought, why should not I take class to you? To after that I gave you message. And I have been taking class with you for 2 months. So yeah, I can say I know I got so many benefit. And earlier I didn't know what is present tense, past tense, and future tense, conditional, modal, positive, passive. I didn't know, but you taught me only 2 months. This is past, this is present, this is passive, this is a state of being, this is a state of action, this is a state of possession. So I know everything nowadays. Thank you so
Oh,
much, sir. And you are a great teacher, and you are a great teacher. And I can say one thing here. There are so many people you can say want to learn English. If they want to learn English, so I can, and they should learn from you because you are great teacher, great teacher.
thank you so much, Israel. But I'm not a teacher here. I just try my level best. I just feel pity on those beginners who also want to speak in English, but they don't they don't do anything. They just think that okay, when I will able to speak English, what should I do? So nobody with them, nobody guides them. So that is why I'm here. If I see, I haven't taken class from anywhere. I never ever hired any teacher. I just absorbed this language by myself. So the way I have learned this language, same the thing I just provide to like my student so that they can understand all the thing. Like when you came to me and that time you were struggling with this language, and then I give you situation, give you structure. Now I think you are perfect. There is no problem with you. You can ask question. You can uh, yeah, speak in English. There is no problem in front of anyone. You don't shy, you don't feel shy, you don't have hesitation. So that is really very great for me as well, because I'm just able to teach so many people here. So that is really very great. So today I want to I'm going to ask some question, like I'm going to show how can you speak in English. I'm going to speak in Hindi and you have to translate into in English, so that my viewer can get to know that uh, like what you have learned from me.
Yeah,
So today, I'm going to tell you how to make a story in English, because most of beginners they don't know how to make a story. How how do I talk to in English? So that is I'm going to provide here. If anyone watch this video, so of course they will learn so many things from here. ठीक है, हम लोग स्टोरी चालू करते हैं.
okay, I am agree with you.
कल मैं घर पे था.
Okay, I was in the room yesterday.
मैं टीवी देख रहा था.
I was watching the TV.
10 मिनट बाद मेरी मॉम मेरे पास आई.
After 10 minutes, my mother came to me.
और मुझसे कहा,
My mother said to me,
टीवी बंद कर दो
close the TV.
और दुकान जाओ और दूध खरीद के लेकर आओ.
Then you go to the shop, bring the milk.
मेरी मॉम ने मुझे 50 रुपये दिए.
My mother gave me 50 rupees.
मैं पास की दुकान पे गया, ग्रोसरी दुकान पे.
Yeah, I went to the near my shop.
मैं दुकान पे गया तो वहाँ कुछ लोग खड़े थे दुकान पे.
Okay. Then when I went to the at the by the shop, when I went to the shop, I saw there were so many people standing over there.
मैं भी वहाँ खड़ा हो गया.
खड़ा हो गया. You can say I also understood there.
I also stood there. Stood.
I stood. I stood there.
क्योंकि शॉपकीपर वहाँ नहीं था.
Okay, because shopkeeper was not there.
5 मिनट बाद शॉपकीपर आया.
After 5 minutes, shopkeeper came.
और उसने मुझसे पूछा क्या लोगे.
He asked to me, what do you want?
मैंने कहा मुझे एक पैकेट मिल्क लेना है.
Milk.
हम्म.
Then I said to him, I want to one packet milk.
I want to take 1 packet milk.
Want to take one packet milk.
हाँ. उसने मुझे एक पैकेट मिल्क दिया.
He gave me one packet milk.
मैंने कहा इसका प्राइस क्या है. मैंने पूछा इसका प्राइस क्या है.
Then I asked, how much price this milk?
What is the price of this milk?
Yeah, what is the price this milk?
Of this milk. उसने कहा 10 रुपये. मुझे 10 रुपये दो.
He gave me 10 rupees.
मैंने उसको 10 रुपये दिए.
I gave him 10 rupees.
फिर मैं घर आ गया.
Then I came to my home.
मैंने मॉम को दूध दिया.
I gave milk my mother.
To my mom. To my mom.
To my mom. I gave milk to my mom.
मेरी मॉम किचन में गई.
My mother went to the kitchen.
और उन्होंने चाय बनाई.
Okay. Then she made tea.
फिर उन्होंने मुझे चाय दी.
Then she gave me tea.
और मैं अपने कमरे में गया.
Then I went to in my room.
और फिर मैं चाय पीने लगा.
Then I started drinking tea.
Correct. So how to make a story in English I have taught you. So now you are perfect. I think whatever I asked you just made in English. So that is really very great. So this is English. This is language. If you know how to create any story, if you are able to speak any of your story, then you will realize that yes, now I can speak in English. Like we are practicing in each and every structure, like past tense, present tense, future tense. So that is really very great. And if I tell here that okay, how can you make a story? So you need only second form was were. You just tell me your experience that within 2 months, what did you learn from me? And earlier, what was your situation? And now, what is your situation? You just elaborate this thing.
Yeah, earlier my situation was not good. So when I got to know, you teach, you take online class, online class. So after that, I gave you message, and you expected my message. After that, I started taking class, with you. So I can say here, I have learned so many things from you. Present, past, future, then passive, models, conditional, so many things. Well, is, am, are, do, does, have, has, so many things. I have learned from you so many things.
मैं किसी को कंफ्यूज नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, ये लैंग्वेज है। मैंने आपको कभी भी कंफ्यूज किया? बहुत सिंपल से सिंपल इंग्लिश सिखाई, बिल्कुल सिंपल साधा, मतलब कि ऐसा सिखाया कि आप बिल्कुल जो कुछ भी मैंने सिखाया वो आपके माइंड में आ गया। देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। सो दैट इज व्हाई एंड देयर आर लाइक दिस इज वे टू लर्न इंग्लिश, बिकॉज I never make anyone in complicate with this language. Even when I learned this language, I just learned easy thing, and after learning easy thing, all the some advanced English and some advanced phrase and so many things, they are coming to me every day. I'm telling you, you don't need to mug up the thing. You don't need to learn so many things from you, forcing yourself. You just say that okay, I'm going to learn from YouTube, from any book, and I'm going to waste my 2 hours, 3 hours. It will not work for you. You just have to observe all the situation in your mind. Suppose I'm talking to you, so this is my situation, this is my current situation that I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
Suppose I have mobile, this is my current position, so I can say whatever I have, I can count it, that I have mobile, I have money, I have so many things. So you know very well that you are my student, so I just teach them as per the situation. I give situation and structure, that's all. I must say
Okay.
that whoever wants to take class from me, suppose they can come and take.
And sir, you tell me how many students do you have nowadays?
And if anyone of course, I must say that end of
If
the video,
anyone, if anyone want to take class, so then you give class or not?
of course, I'm just waiting for those beginner who also want to speak in English. So end of the video, I must say that if this video is helpful for beginner, so please subscribe my channel and just support me. And I'm here and I will tell you each and everything in easy way. Even I can make you fluent in English in a easy way, because I have so much material, and those material I will give you without your native language. I'm not going to tell you any I'm not going to tell you in Hindi that okay, in your native language, that this thing is that and this so many things are there. No, I will give you only situation and only structure. By this way you can realize that okay, this is the situation where I have to put this structure. So each and every situation has structure, so you just do the same, and I'm going to teach by this way. I'm going to teach those students, and I must say that within one or not only 1 month and 3 months, it depends on you. I will do my best, but you have to do work. You have to do hard work on it.
Yeah, definitely. And I saw
So
I saw you give only situation. I think a situation is very, very important, right?
yes. So I think this is all about this video, and of course I will make such type of video, and I will make a story related video. I will make conversation related video, and
Mm.
so many types of videos. So if anyone wants to take class, please come. I'm just here to take class. So
Okay,
thank you.
they
You
should
have,
they should give you a message, they should give you a message on YouTube.
yes. So thank you so much, Israel, that you have given me your precious time. So thank you so much. We will meet
Yeah,
soon in the class.
yeah, definitely. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.